How to record Zoom meeting on laptop. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create Login and Delete. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop, whether you are the host or participant. First of all, open the Zoom app and start your meeting as the host. Now, on the bottom toolbar, tap on the More option available there. Then click Record. Now, as you see, the recording has been started. You might see pause or stop recording option available there. You can use the pause or stop buttons on the toolbar to pause the recording or stop option available to end the recording. Now, once the recording has ended, you will be able to view your recording in documents. So here, as you can see, simply tap on the save option available there and it is saved. Now open it and you can find your available recording here. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.